Hello. So, hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So, this is the very first revision class by me. So, before I was doing it, other teachers were, teaching you marketing. So, my name is Ramandeep Singh and I teach on bankexamstudy.com. So, let's just start the today's session. I'm just going to provide you 5 important questions every day and you're going to find a lot of questions from my sessions in the real exam. Trust me. Even last year I did the same sessions. Last year I did the course and I got 28 selections. And this year I hope I'll be getting the same number of selections, maybe even more. So IBPS SO Marketing Mains course by me, Ramandeep Singh. I'm providing video classes, notes, test series, complete coverage of FM, marketing management, financial awareness, and HRM on bankexamstudy.com's course. And 906720100, that's my WhatsApp number. And link to join the course is available in the description. You can directly go to bankexamstudy.com. bankexamstudy.com. So I think we should start the session with the very first question. The socio-economic classification, lifestyle and personality are the major segmentation variable in which category? Before answering this question, you should remember this chart. Very important. I can assure you that you are going to find this question in the exam. High probability in every marketing SO exam, mains exam, you'll find this question. So please remember these. The market segmentation on the basis of geographics. It is country, cities, density, language, climate, area, population, demography. It is age, gender. That is related to the person. Person's age, person's gender, his income, his education, his social status, his family, his life stage, his occupation, whether he's an adult, he's an, he's a matured, he's in his 30s, in his 40s, what is his occupation, whether he's a teacher, he's a student, he's a retired banker. So these are the demographic. Geographic, the country he lives in, it is India, which city, it is Ludhiana, it is density, the population density of that place, the language that is spoken in that particular language, what sort of climate is there. In Ludhiana, it is in winters, it is too cold, in summer, it is too hot. Area and the population, how much population is there in Ludhiana. And psychographic and behavioral. Psychographics, it is lifestyle, interest, opinions, activities, concerns, personality, values, attitudes, right? These are his psychographics. What sort of lifestyle that person is, what sort of lifestyle, if somebody's lifestyle is healthy lifestyle. For example, I don't really eat fried food. I don't really, like fried food, and after 9 p.m., after 8 p.m. actually, I don't prefer to eat. Most of the time, I don't prefer to eat after 8. So that is my sort of lifestyle. Activities, where do I go for that, physical activities, whether I go to a gym or an aerobic class or a swimming, that is the sort of activities I do. My values, my attitude. So it's all about my psychographics. By behavior, so what is my life cycle stage, engagement or the user stage, intent, occasion, usage, purchase, benefit. So that how I behave, right? So on the basis of my lifestyle, how I behave, right? Are you getting it? I'm non-vegetarian, right? So I'm going to buy a chicken salad, right? Non-vegetarian salad. So on the basis of this psychographic, factors, my behavior is going to take a shape, right? So please remember all these for all these points, very important. Now the socio-economic classification, lifestyle, personality are major segmentation variable in which category? Now you can relate it. Lifestyle and personality. Lifestyle and personality are which one? Psychographic. So it is psychographic. So first answer is D. Very simple. Many of you mark this answer wrong. Many of you click behavioral, which is wrong. The correct answer is D, right? So please remember this chart, very important. I'll be sharing this chart on my Telegram channel. Link to the Telegram channel is available in the description. Name of the channel is Bank Exams Today. If you need the PPTs, just follow me on Telegram. It is Bank Exams Today on Telegram. Link is available in the description. In which sort of sampling the population is divided into mutually exclusive groups and random samples are drawn from each other. So this is the population. What is population in case of samples? All the participants of the on which you are doing the research. So what you are doing is you are mutually exclusive groups. You are stratifying your population that are mutually exclusive, not same, right? That are mutually exclusive, and now you are taking samples from here. Now you are taking sample from here. So you are dividing it. You are dividing the whole population that is mutually exclusive. That means what? Stratified. First of all, you stratified. What is strata? Part of population. First of all, you stratified the whole population and then you randomly select the sample. So it is stratified random sampling, not the simple random sampling, not the cluster sampling, because you stratified the data. That is mutually exclusive. So simple random sample, select from a full list of population, use a random number. Good example is Tambola, right? From 1 to 100 number, you are selecting, sometime it is 67, 64, 65. So it is simple random sampling. Systematic, start at a random point and choose every 10th case or very whatever. So let's say from number 1 to 100, you are selecting second and then 12th and then 22nd and then 32 up to then 92, right? So that's the another way. That is systematic. Sampling frame stratified, for example, by class, race, sex, and then random sampling. So let's say there are 100 people. There are 100 people. You are dividing the whole population between men and women. Male and female, right? And then you are selecting the sample. So it is stratified random sampling. So in the cluster, population is divided into units of cluster, each containing individual in a range of circumference. For example, different types of young offender institution could be sampled. So again, the similar kind of, similar kind of people are divided into clusters, right? So that is cluster sampling. Okay. Then multi-stage, an extension of cluster sampling in which samples are drawn from within the clusters. For example, sampling by age, sex, ethnicity from within young offender institution identified through cluster sampling. So there are multiple stages. So these are the types of sampling, sort of very, very important, I would say. If there is any doubt in your mind, you can always ask your doubts in the comment section. And if you feel like there is something I didn't explain properly, I'll do that tomorrow again, right? So simple, random, systematic, stratified, cluster, we are dividing the population into clusters and then we are taking the samples out of it, right? And each cluster, the people are like, each cluster is like the people are, all the different kind of people are part of the each cluster, right? So that's all I think. So increased competition leads to price decrease. Increased competition leads to price decrease, correct? Increased public awareness, correct? Sales volume increase significantly are the characteristic of which stage of PLC? Very, very important. One important thing, increasing sales. So increasing sales, that's it. Please remember these words. Please remember these phrases. In the growth stage, sales increases. In the growth sale, sales increases. Cost per customer falls, profit rises, increasing number of customers and competition increases, right? And in maturity, there is stable number of competitor, mass market, profit is high still, cost per customer is lowest, and the peak is at sales. So in the growth stage, in which stage, let me know. The price decreases, cost per customer falls, the public awareness increases, that's why the sales increases significantly. So it is a growth stage. So what I would recommend you, please remember all these points. The low sales, high cost per customer, financial losses, innovative customers, few competitors. That is the introduction stage. So most of you are just going through this graph, which is not sufficient. I would recommend you to go through all these pointers, which is really, really important. Okay. Which of the following is not usually defined as element of the marketing mix? Not really difficult, but still very important. Product, promotion, price, place, people, process, and physical evidence. So which one is the correct answer? The profit is a correct answer. Profit is not a part of marketing mix. So buyer decision process starts with, if suppose you want to buy something, what should be the first step? What should be the first step? That is need recognition. You start with the need recognition, then you search for the product information, then you evaluate the product, and then there are product choices. You compare it, and then you use it. There is evaluation of the product, and then the disposal of the product. So that is a whole process, the buyer decision process, and it starts with a need recognition. First of all, you decide that yes, I need this product, and then you say okay, I should do my research, and then you search for the product, right? So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the question that I'm providing. Really important for the exam. If there is any doubt, always ask your doubt in the comment section. Make a comment and take my course IBPS So Marketing. I'm covering FM, marketing, financial awareness, and HRM, which are really important. And I can assure you 40 plus questions in the exam. That's the same assurance that I provided you last year. Last year the cutoff was less than 30 and I assured 40 plus questions, and there were 40 plus questions from my course. This is my WhatsApp number. Link to my course is available in the description, and these are the successful students who used my course and cracked the exam. And this year as well, I can assure you, you are going to find questions from my course. And recently IBPS RRB Scale 2 Scale 3 results are out, final results are out, and All India Rank 1 Tripti Arora, she was our student, and these are all the successful students from our course, and I'm really proud of them, and I want your pictures here, right? So it's a right time to start your preparation. The exam is on, I think, 25th. It's 8th today. I can assure you, if you complete the course, you can easily crack this exam, and then we'll prepare for the interviews. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. I'll be continuing the sessions every day at 5:30. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Follow me on Telegram, follow me on YouTube, and if there is any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me. Thank you.